In this video, you will learn how to get the Google Ads Partner Badge. First, create a Google Partner account. Go to Google Partners and sign in with your Google Ads Manager account. Join the program. Join the program using your company Google Ads Manager account. Meet the performance requirements. Your account must show strong ad performance and consistent growth over managed accounts. Google evaluates performance based off client revenue, growth, retention, and overall ad performance. Spend a minimum ad amount. Make sure your manager account needs to have spent at least $10,000 across all your managed accounts within the last 90 days. Get certified in Google Ads. At least 50% of eligible account strategists must be Google Ads certified. Certifications include areas such as search, display, video, shopping, and apps. Maintain your status. Continuously meet Google's requirements to keep your badge. Check your partner status in Google Partner Account dashboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.